Today I have been setting up some hedge laying as part of the project, where other people have the chance to have a go and to learn informally. And today is an extension to that, really, where people have a chance to get help from an experienced trainer that we have here today, and it will be certificated, accredited by Lantra.
So there's a few of us that have spent many years doing this, and this was a real chance for us to formalise what we're doing and to get a sort of recognised award to say we do know that we're doing it properly, and to give farmers and other people that we work for, landowners, a bit of confidence that what we're doing is actually beneficial for their land.
Karen and myself are not usually group leaders, but we sort of gravitate as people with a bit of experience to taking on some of the newbies and showing them the basic steps. But I've been conscious that my basic steps might be teaching them quite the wrong thing, so hopefully I'll be a bit of a smarter trainer for this.
I'm heavily involved these days in running actual conservation projects and hedge laying, and seeing how Howell here today has organised a group of people hedge laying has given me some ideas about how I would organise my own hedge laying activities. So I'll very much be, through the Long Forest project I've found new landowners that we can do hedging on in the future, which is quite encouraging.
There's been a lot of the more intricate techniques. As I say, I've been doing this for a few years now, and I've learnt the core of the activity, but how to get it looking neat, how to keep it tidy, how to ensure the hedge stays alive with time, all of those finer details. It's been really helpful having somebody that's done this for decades to bolster what we're learning with hard kind of knowledge and wisdom, I suppose.
Quite often the hedges that we look after are particularly neglected, and you'll have one stool with, goodness knows how many shoots of hazel coming off it, and how do you approach that? It's a bit of especially for somebody who's not done it before, it's really confusing how to start that. So I've learned today on how I would approach tackling a difficult part, so which bleachers I would keep and which I would take out of the hedge and work with.
I've really enjoyed this. This has been an excellent couple of days, and I did wonder, is it going to be a bit formal? Are we going to have to sit there and do lessons? Is he going to be telling us all the time? But no, he's been tremendously supportive, and I'd quite happily come back tomorrow and the day after. No, I've really enjoyed it.